Okay, you guys, it's another headband wig. Amazon come through with this one. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throat. And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another human hair headband wig. This wig was sent to me from Ywigs. I'm wearing it in 16 inches. It's 150% density, so let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, as well as it does come with that pre-attached Velcro band. The density on it, like I said, girls, 150%. It's feeling really nice. I really like how the length looks on me. It's human hair, kinky straight, and I did go in and just straighten it out a little bit, and I am loving the vibe that it's giving me. The quality of the hair seems like it's honestly very, very, very nice. It's much nicer than I expected it to be. It feels very soft, but it feels very natural at the same time. So the cap size on this unit is definitely coming up small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. My head is on the smaller size, and it's fitting my head very snug. I did adjust those Velcro bands all the way, and I'm not using the combs at all, and I do feel like I got all the security in the world going on here. I definitely think this one is worth the price point too, for sure. I want to say Amazon is offering this for like $66, so I feel like that is definitely a good deal for a headband wig that's human hair and good quality hair, you guys. Ywigs, like, come through with the hair quality, with the density, with the texture. Like, girl, I am absolutely all here for this unit. I feel like it's gorgeous. As far as my cons and my pros are concerned, I literally have no cons on it. It's straightened very nicely. I feel like it'll take product very nicely. This is definitely one that's going to be a simple throw on and go and everyday wear for sure. The length on it is perfect for everyday, and I really like the fact that it's just cute. It's not like bummy looking or anything like that. I feel like I like that it's right in the middle. Like, you could dress it up, you could dress it down. Like, girl, you just can't go wrong with a headband wig, in my opinion, especially a good quality one. Like, girl, it's versatile. One of the things I really like the most about this unit is just the way that they constructed it and how they laid the tracks. I feel like it's perfect. I know a lot of times you do get these headband wigs and it's like they place the tracks in such a specific way that there's only certain styles you can wear with making it look versatile, but to be honest, I did this in all different styles, and I feel like the track placement is perfect. I don't feel them, I don't see them, so it's extremely versatile. The cap construction on this was just very well done, you guys. So honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units we're going to pick up and any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.